So let's say that we've got a function f of t is piecewise, and let's say it starts out at e to the t between 0 and let's say 2. Then it becomes sine of t between 2 and let's say 7. Let's say that I want it to become t squared. And t is greater than or equal to 7. Okay, let's do a random function just to give you practice with this idea. What we want to do is we want to write it in one line. We're going to use the unit step function idea. So we want to start off with e. That's always easier. We're going to start off with whatever you have here, e. Now think about what we want to do next here. I want it to become sine. So I need a sine. So I have to add a sine to get sine there, right? But there's no e there, so I have to get rid of the e. So I'm going to subtract the e to the t. Okay? Think about when we want this to happen. This is going to switch at 2, right? So to make this happen at 2, you would multiply by this fancy u of t minus 2. Again, remember, this big fancy thing is either 0 or 1. That's all it is. Let's stop here and see what we think about it. Before you hit 2, right? So before 2, I have e to the t plus this times 0, which is just e to the t, which is what we want, right? Okay, when we hit 2, okay, this magically turns on to 1. So when we hit 2, I have e to the t plus this times 1. Well, that's 1. I'm going to be adding these up. The e's will drop out, leaving us just sine. Okay. I hope that makes sense. So right now, keep in mind, this is where I am. I have sine now, right? Well, if I keep going, when I hit 7, I don't want sine anymore. I want t squared. So what you'll do here is kind of the same idea in the previous one. We want to add a t squared, right? I need a t squared, but I have to dump the sine. So you're going to subtract the sine of t. And you want this to happen when you hit 7. So you would multiply by u of t minus 7. Okay. Again, this is either 0 or 1. Okay? Okay, so let's kind of go over the idea. Remember, these things, again, I keep harping on it. People think it's much more grand than it is. It's either 0 or 1. So let's say that we are before 2, right? Before 2, this is 0. It doesn't turn on until 2. This is also 0, so it doesn't turn on until 7. So these things I have in orange and green are 0, which means they're not there, which means I have e to the t, right? When you hit 2, this one turns on, so the orange becomes 1, but you're not 7 yet, so the green is still 0. So this is 1, this is 0, this is what you have. You have e plus sine minus e, which gives you sine, right? Now, once it's on, it stays on. You cannot turn it off, okay? Not using this technique, at least. So it's on forever. So at this point, you have this, this, and this. When you hit 7, remember, this is still on, so that's still 1, right? This now is on, so that becomes 1. So then you would add those together, and you see what's going to happen. Each is still gone, but now the signs will drop out, right? And you're left with just t squared, which is what you want right here, right? And that's how the unit step function works. So again, it's a way of taking a function that is turned off and turning it on. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense.
If you find the video is helpful, feel free to give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel in order to receive the most current videos. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you won't miss anything. I'll see you next time.